How to put an image inside the text in Capcut like this. So open the Capcut project and at the bottom place here the blank black layer. Also place here the picture which you want to be inside your text. So I got here these clouds. And now in the top menu bar go to text and add here some default text. Adjust it in the timeline and simply customize it. So you can change the font, and I'm gonna customize my preferred size. So for example, like this. Now we will put this image into this text. So grab this text and place it to the middle of these two layers. It will not be visible. Now click this top image, go into your video section, basic, and here click blend, mode, and select the multiply option. And it will look like this. So that's how you can do it. It's pretty simple. You can also customize the text here. If I scroll down, turn off uniform scale, and you can customize it like you want. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.